Yeah, let me start. Let me share the screen. Screen. Okay. Yeah. Just I'll give introduction to Python and I will start a series okay, the courses. See, first one, that is this one somewhere I got and I installed again. This one. Maybe it comes with the installation of HM, I'm not sure. Okay, this one. See, what happens when here introduction? Okay, basically, you click here. Okay, what he explains, it just let me explain. Okay, next, let me close this introduction. Okay, now start. Okay, just just thinking how we can write a code like if it automatically has to execute means if and underscore name equal to main. Okay, this is default it is checking the Python. The name equal to main function. Then pass and write your code here means what has to be executed the function above written. Maybe you are seeing in hacker rank or somewhere like this. Okay, the things matters in all these things in hacker rank or somewhere. Okay, those things we can correct the same similar way the code is executed. Okay, and navigation he explains this. This is what you can see this explanation also. You can learn from this. Okay, why we have to learn Python all these years explained because recent trend is there and machine learning and AI is there. So we have to learn Python. And it is as we already know that it is a Python is a very popular language and it's a multi so much influence is there and many things are gotten done by this. Okay. Next, go to next round. See, we are going here. It's the same here explains. Okay, how do you what about the IDE and the retail? What is this course about? Okay, this introduction course is no. So how is course? Okay, there are we are in now son. There are 84. Okay, 84 lessons like that. Okay, in introduction there are seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, like this. Okay, now like now what happened now next well, let us explain. Okay, yes, next what he say this is our introduction the courses is structure is there is saying essentially here it says this is the course. Okay, this the course is saying course view the introduction variable strings data structure condition expressions loops for using string while and while this Python program this how the structure file structure is there is explaining. Okay, and next we'll go to next editor. What is this? See, now editor when the program is there, and this is how the program looks. He's saying now it's simply this program is looks like this the main program. Okay, they will see explain that the program things. Okay, and next go to task description. Okay. This is how we have to work with this. Okay, check here there will be icon and check button will be there, run will be there, and if you have to go to click this, you have to go to click this, and the next you have to click this. Okay, means you are doing next right like that. Okay, and this is to reset what are the changes we have done. This is a good tool, and say when we are executing, we will come to know this actually what is the importance of all these things. Okay, solution peak, all those things. Okay, I'll be explaining this. Sorry, I'm getting call. Yeah, this is what. Okay, this now. Now next, let us go to getting to know. Yeah. Then just it is about many as explained. If we click brief information form, the form. Okay, that will leave it. Now go to next. Okay. Now go to this explains about what is the jet skills, all those things, how to print the traditional old program, all these things. Okay. Okay, he is given the details. You can check this. Okay. Next, let us come to program. See, first program is how to comment. Okay, how to comment. See, he has given this block of code. If you click here, it is incorrect. It shows C. If you correct this sent this mistake or what he is asking. Then if you click on check, it will show. Um, it will show. 1 minute. Where? Yeah, it will show. It will show correct. Then you are right, done with the solution. It will show. What he explains here, our task is to add the comment. What CC is saying. Let me minimize this. Okay. Now this one control alt shift. Okay, this one. Okay, this is what the what this teaches us how to use comments in a Python. Okay, first line. This is a, you have to use with hash. Start with hash. This is a comment for the comments.py file. This whole file. This is a comment. Okay, and print hello. Okay, this here a printing hello or second line. This is a command for second line. Okay, what I can say we are printing. I can type this printing. Right? What is saying? Now delete this. Okay. Control Z. Control Z. Okay. Printing hello. First K letter should be capital is saying. Okay. The comment let's start. This P should be capital is saying. Okay. And this is also the print. This is the print. This hash is not a comment. This is in okay. This is not a comment because it is not a comment. Okay. Hello. Okay. Now okay. Hello. Hello. And print. This command line will never be executed. What I is saying is explain the theory concepts here. The print, this commented line will not be executed. Since we have comment, it will not be executed. So you want the following line should be commented. This should be commented. Our purpose is to check you see incorrect. It shows you see it's a test failing. Okay, now what happens? Let me correct this. Okay. Now control shift, control alt shift. Okay, resize, resize. Oh, control alt. Okay, this one. Okay, he explains all these things about content. How to you had a comment, he says it should be start with you see here x equal to x plus 1. What is it? Is a hash increment. EI should be correct. Increments x or increment x, you see. Then now what happens? Now what you have to do? You have to add comment it means hash symbol should be added before the yeah, how to add that is explains also. Control plus forward slash if you use. See here he explains control plus forward slash if you use. Then the control plus once control press the hold the control button press hash C added. Now see this block is saying shown in red, right? Now it is become comment. Now if you check the solution, see, see correct it shows. Okay, this is what he is. Now test passed also is shown. Now what is this? The peak solution. See what happens? Now peak solution. See, you can merge this also. From this, you can merge this things also. Get it corrected also. You can merge this. Okay, this is how he is seeing. Okay, close this. Okay. Now you can reset this. Okay, not shown right a peak solution. See in this is the computer itself gives the solution. He has added hash. We had what we have to we made a mistake. One thing what we have to give space here. It is given we are given. Okay, we have to give space. That's after hash. Right? This is what this correct line of the commenting. Okay, see here he added the comment. Okay, like that. You have to add a comment. Okay, and compare your solution with this one. Okay, the answer. Okay, this one. If this is right, then that is it. Okay, now this you can correct on. It is not mandatory here. Just I to show you. I told you here. Okay, this one. This is correct. Now see it shows correct. Now check. Okay, now it is approved. Okay, congratulations. It shows. Now what you have to do? Test pass. Okay. Let us reset this. Okay. For future next lesson. Okay. Reset. Okay. Reset. Okay. See reset. Now the command remote. So next it will be used like that for our next purpose. Okay. This is the syntax of print statement. What is this print statement? This is the prototype we call in C language like that, right? This is our definition. What happens? Definition. It is inbuilt. It will return the function. Okay. Print the star value object and separation. You can separate by next this double quotes. Okay. None. If nothing is there, double quote. Okay. Here slash. Okay. You can separate. Okay. And we can add. Okay. Like this. Should be string. Okay. That's how it is. Separate. See. You can. Yeah. Very good. Alexa in coming classes. Okay. Now let me go to next lesson. Variables. Okay. Go to next lesson. Receive. Okay. Oh, next go to next lesson. Okay. Yeah, variables. Okay. Here I reset done already worked. So we'll do reset. Okay, what it is actual. See, this is what he says. Okay. Now let us minimize this. Okay. What he says, he is assigned a equal to one. This is now what are variables or the definition we are learning here. We comments over how to comment the comment syntax of learning Python. Okay. Just now how to use this variable declaration and definition, all those things. Okay. Now we will explain the expression of STRA later in this course. And what is an A? It is the string STRA. It is there. No, if this line is there, you have to comment above, or in this line, multi-line means you have to comment above. Okay, this no need, need not needed. So A, we are assigning A equal to one is saying. For now, it is used to convert the variable A into string. See, now A print A is be converted into string now here. What happens? A is equal to now converting string. A is equal to a string. And now what is assign the word to the name variable using assignment operator. What you have to do in this question mark, you have to correct this. Okay. Let me close this. I'll explain. This equal to you have to correct. Okay. Now see if I use equal to, okay, this is what correct. Now, what is this print hello? It will print hello world, okay, hello world it will print. And reassigning the name variable to with your actual name. See, only what he is asking in this command, we have to use our name actually. He is also, is what is our name? See, let us close in single quote. Okay. Now, box convert. Now what it prints? Hello Bhaskar. This print statement allow with concatenation plus is in same in syntax in I think JavaScript. Okay. And str convert to string, this name to string. Already it's string, but here is so we are converting it to string and printing the name. And again, what in this line is just use the chain assignment here, assign the value to variable A and B. How to do chain assignment? I'll tell you. See, assign, see here what equal to, delete this all things. Okay. Now A equal to B equal to the space B space equal to this one. Okay, this is correct now. Print A and B. Print str A, print str B. A equal to this, B equal to this. He is asking to print. Now let us execute this program. Okay. Now see what is sorry. See what is A equal to one is there. Okay, printing this. Hello world is there. Hello Bhaskar, line number 10 answer. Hello Bhaskar D and A equal to B equal to it is printing. Now what I wanted to say, now similar way. Yeah, what happens? Now let me close this. Okay. now keep. So what happens here? Now if we check this answer, it shows correct. Okay, see what he is giving. He is giving int also. Okay, how to do this? Okay, int. See, assign the word string to the name variable. On line number 10, replace the value in the name with variable with actual name, actual name, your actual name, and use the chain assignment value 2 to both A and B. Line number 15 is saying, okay, this is what you have done. How to do this? See, chain assignment is giving here A equal to 2 and B equal to 2 like this. A equal to B equal to 2. This is chain assignment. Okay. He explains it. This is our chain assignment. Now let us reset. Okay, reset. Let us check now peak solutions. Okay, what is peak solution? See, this you can merge this. Okay, username. Okay, you can use double quote or single quote. Okay, those okay. This is same. Now we can copy this, merge this question to this one. This is correct. Okay. Now let us go check. Okay. Now let us close this. What happens now? Goes. Now reset this. Okay. Reset. Content reset. Okay, now somebody can again can be explained and continue. Okay, this is what we learned here. We learned assignment and what is how to convert a value to by default it is basically how to convert the value into string. Okay, inputting if you are inputting any value it will be string by default. Okay, and how to assign a value to a variable. Okay, and how to print those things and how to do chain assignment you will learn. Okay, this is what is taught in this lesson. Okay, let us go to next lesson. Okay, next lesson undefined variable, how it will be undefined variable. Okay, same. Go ahead. Go ahead. What is okay? What is undefined variable? He says, okay, undefined variable. Okay, variable names only contain Latin letters, digits, and or underscore character, and they cannot start with the digit. They also cannot be any of the reserved keywords. Okay, you can find out the list of reserved keywords. You go here, you can find out all these reserved keywords. Okay, see this is a tool, handy tool. Okay, you can learn what are these words cannot be variable name. These keywords. Okay, like so, keywords. Okay, soft keywords also there. Okay, these are things. Okay, you can go through this document so that these cannot be keywords. Okay, this is what you wanted to explain. And now to do this, what is telling how to do int. Okay, just check what happens if a variable that is not yet defined. Modify the run the code in the editor to print the undefined name. Okay, just int. See, now for example, print the var one where instead of a variable. Okay, now he is asking just print var one. Okay, let it be print var, right? This one. Okay, now what happens? Check here. You will check here. What is it? See, correct var one. Okay, print. He is asking to print undefined variable. His question is to print unvariable, so it is incorrect. But actually, what if you run the program, it will throw error. See, if you run the program, it will show error. But his task was to print undefined variable. So in this check condition, it is showing correct. Okay. Now, so if you run the code, now this will give, if you run the code by default, this it will print one. Okay. Now what happens? Check. It will show wrong here because is task was to print undefined variable. What is it? Print var one. Okay, var one. Okay. Again you go to print. Now go to what is the error it shows. See a name. A name where one is not defined. Okay, did you mean where's? No, right? Where one? Okay. Now check is correct. It says his question is that we done that. Okay, you can check pick solution and do that. Okay, just you will check that also. See, print other variable. Just he is saying like this. Okay, just you can do. You can mark this and you can do that. Okay, this is okay. This one. Now reset. Okay. Okay. This is what is what happens if you print a undefined variable. Okay, it says okay if it is undefined variable, yes, seen in the program is showing error. Okay, next variable types. Okay, what is now variable types. Okay. Now check. Okay. That is incorrect. What is it? It's telling variable types. Uh, Yes, he is printing number equal to type of the variable. Okay, let me this one. Control shift control alt, okay, this one. Okay, now print type of a variable number. Okay, um, he is asking what our task is. False is not true. The statement about the type of a float number is missing from the output, or the variable type has changed. Okay, now we have to print the type of a variable number. Okay, this float number type we have to print. Okay, now check the solution, peak solution. Okay, what is it? See, print type of float number. Okay, this it was our task. So we have to solve this. Now how this close this? Then this term the just you type, just copy this line. You can copy this line. Okay, copy this line. Okay. And how to just you have to copy this and okay, okay. Just now what is check is condition. Okay, current version correct is saying it is supposed to print the type of a number float. Now what is the type of this? See, now if you execute the program, it shows float. See here, first one is type of nine is in, and uh, type of float is the float value. Okay, this float underscore number value 9.0 is float. Okay, this is how we'll get if you print in any type of any variable in Python. Okay, this gives by default int, this one defined. No, it is a class type, so it is like this. Okay, all are oops concept based things. Okay, now reset this. Okay, this is what we learned in this lesson. Okay, what we learned? First we learned about comments. Next we learned about assignment and chain assignment, and um, assigning a value to variable, printing of a string. Okay, what is str? It converts to any variable if it is integer to string. Also we have seen how to print. Also we have seen print a the syntax. Okay, now go to type conversion. Okay, now let us go to type conversion. Okay, what he is saying, print type of variable number. Okay, here here type of a number variable, print the type of variable number. Okay, here number is the variable you have to print. It is he has done already his part. Okay, float number. Okay, print type of a float. Okay, print a variable float. Here we will show float we have seen in the earlier lesson, and print float number and print the value of float. What is it? It will print 9.0. Okay, and converted float number. What you have to do? Convert it to int. How to convert it in? Just he'll say. Just you have to use int. The how we doing. Just I'll show you. Now that is just okay. Int. Okay. Just this number. You have to convert it to int. Okay. Okay, just now type of a number will be of this float converted float will, oh sorry, this type int float number. Now type of this will be int type. Okay, and print converted float number. What is this convert number? It should be 9. Okay, let us see the result first. Okay, result. Okay, see the first what here it was 9. First class type of a number is int. Next type of a float number is float. And when the number is 9.0, it will take class. Now type of what in this line number 9 you are doing, what is the type converting it, and typecasting, and you are doing and printing type. So it will be print, okay, and print the number what is 9 is printed. But what, let us check now according to, now let us close this, okay. Now what we have achieved or not, we have to check, right? Check here. See, it is correct issue. Is possible to convert the like this. Similarly, you can do STR conversion, float conversion. If you want to convert into float, you can use float. Okay, and if you want to convert to string, STR. Let us now try this to float STR. Wait, STR. Okay, now convert. But if we click here, check, it will show wrong because he is asking to convert into. But now we have to print what is this type. Okay, we want to check if you do str. Okay, see, what is, see, str is coming. Okay, of line number 8 converted to, when we print in the line number 9, it will show str. Okay, and though it is converted, then if you print same 9.0, it is string because it will be encoded in a single quote or double quote, and it will be printed. Okay, that's one. And now reset. Okay, and we are not this conversion typecasting. Okay, similarly we can do int float str like that. Okay, see, this can explain. Okay, let us close this. Now arithmetic operation. Okay, he explains it. Arithmetic operation. Okay, now what he says, now float number. Okay, let us come close. Mhm. Okay, now int number 9.0 float number. Okay, it is a float number. He is saying int okay, init, okay, init initialize the number to 9.0. Division result. Okay, divide the init number by 2. We have to divide the unit number by 2, we have to divide. And division reminder, what is, get the remainder of the number of this division result. What is of the unit? And what is it? Okay, let me minimize this. Okay, now control shift, control alt shift. Okay, now what is saying now, this one also. Okay. What he's saying, get the remainder of the division of the number unit number by 2. Okay, the remainder, we have to get remainder of this number, unit number, and multiplication, multiply the is teaching arithmetic operations. Okay, like that. Now we are doing in Python. Okay, multiply the division number result by 2. What is this result? You have to multiply by 2. Means what happens when you divide it, again the same number will get. Okay, and addition result, what is it? Add the division remainder. Now add the remainder. What is, you have to add the remainder to the multiplication, this result number. Okay, addition result. Now subtraction result, what I have to subtract the multiplication with this result number in the unit number, this number. Okay, what is, maybe it becomes 0. Okay, we'll do once you do the conversion. Now what is saying, flow result means convert the lowest to lowest number, lowest um, decimal number. Okay, and power result, raise the multiplication result to power of 3. You have to do the exponential calculation. Okay, power of 3, and print result STR subtraction result. How we have to do, I'll show you. He has given clear cut. Okay, I'll explain before how we have to do the operation. Okay, control alt shift. Okay, see what you have to do. If you are just for other program, as in other program, plus is for addition, minus is for subtraction, Star is for multiplication and division. Okay, operators can be used with numbers in. Okay, these are, and power is star star two. Model operator is percentage, and division is slash slash by operator. Division. Okay, floor division. This is floor division. Okay, means it will convert to the lowest decimal part of the division. Round it off to lowest digit number. Okay, and similarly, the division is the slash. Okay, this is a floor division operating. It do both operation it does. Okay, floor division it is, and this is modular, and this is addition, and this is what. Okay, he is asking now. He gives. So this, for example, he gives an example: A is equal to 16, B equal to 3. This is what? This is floor division. Result will be 5 because like uh, division, right? Floor division. So 1 minute. 5 is 16 by 5, 4.5, 4.3. So it will convert to 5 and 3. So it will convert to 5. And he is given also result what will be here 5 in the comment. And result A modular modulus. A of modulus A by B. What is this? Remainder is it will give remainder, no? It will give one remainder because 16 is 15, 3 divided by 16. 16 divided by 3 is one remainder. And power of A, what is this? A equal to 16 power of, and like it will give 256, correct. Okay, 3 times it is 16 into 16, that is the 20, 16, no, 16 into 16, that I had to calculate. Okay. That it will give 256. Okay, power of 2. Yeah, power of 2, correct. 256. Okay, 16 into 16. Like that. Okay, this is what even here what you have to do. Let I show you now. Now the control, control on C. Okay. See, row number is there. Now division the unit number. Copy this. These okay. Now delete. Okay, that give the proper spacing. Okay, now right. Okay, now divide, get the remainder. How to get the remainder? Okay, is given here also the, okay, by modulus. Okay, modulus. Okay, this one right. The multiply the division result. What you have to do? This division result is already given in the variable also. See how handy is it is a division by no division multiply state, right? Stop. Okay, now add the division remainder, this remainder to the multiplication result. Okay, add. Okay, remove this. Okay, here add what a division remainder. Okay, plus multiplication result, right? Yes. Okay, now subtract the multiplication result from unit number. Okay, this what is this? You have to do unit minus. Okay, so you have to subtract multiplication result from unit number. Okay, and perform floor division of unit number. What you have to do? You have to do here delete. Okay, unit number you have to do floor division. What is this floor division? Control. What you have to do? Control the floor division by which two only. control y, okay, control, okay. Plot is now to do double slash 2, okay, this one. Now power raise the multiplication result to power 3, okay, this one to rise. What to do? It is the double star operator, okay. That's it. Okay. Now it will the subtraction result. Okay. Now let us check what is we are done it or not. See, correct. Okay. Now let us put what is the subtraction result. Okay. See, zero. It will not zero. Okay. Now in this one error, this we have to check warning also. What is somewhere? See line number 15. There is a one multiplication space after line number 15. Where is line number 15? Okay, one space is there. So let remove if you want to make this. Just okay, so control Z, control Z, and control Z. Okay, very same. A year. Okay, we have one extra space. You see. So now see. Now this car, it should be always this right mode so that we don't have warnings or errors. If error is there, it will show, and if warning is there, suppose you are giving some A. Okay, this error will be showing. Okay, showing error. Okay, so what is there? Red line also it is underlined. Okay, now say this should be right mode. This is how let us stop here. Okay, right.